Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video will show you how you can change your fog lamp light bulb that fits only one side. This is the H3 55 watt model that it fits only one side. You're going to look at the notch. The orientation is important. Okay, then this is actually the spring clip that will fit nicely into it if you have installed your light bulb in the correct orientation. One side is a rectangle, the other side is actually circular. You see, it's circular here, this is rectangular shape. Okay, so it's asymmetrical, it fits in one side. So first of all, where you can find this? So you look underneath your car, this clip or socket, you must press at the end here and then pull it out. Okay, you can't pull it out just like that, you must press it to release and then only you pull it out. Now, one trick to successfully easily remove the fog lamp light is actually through the front wheel. All you need to do is you need to turn your steering to one side so make room for it. And this is where the fog lamp located. Probably you will need a torchlight to remove the 4 mounting screws to remove it from the bracket. Next thing, I use WD-40 oil to actually lubricate the cap. The cap is quite tight, and then you turn it anti-clockwise. You may press it in and then turn it. Okay, make sure you don't break the wire. Okay, it's quite tight. Okay, so clockwise. Now the reason why it's so tight is because of there are some sand particle trapped in between the gap. So that's why earlier I actually spray some WD-40 oil over it and wait for roughly 30 seconds in order to turn it counterclockwise. Now, this is where the old H3 lamp bulb, okay, I've removed the spring clip earlier and the fuse one, okay, this is a new one, I bought it online, this is the brand I can find online, so I bought this one. I've checked the specification, mine is a H3 55 watt model, so 12 watt, right? So all I need to do is remove the sleeve and pull it out, okay? After that, all I need to do is use a plier, some tool to actually close the gap for this clip. Remove the bulb, make sure you don't touch the glass bulb. And the new one is on the left hand side. You can see it's clear glass. The right hand side is the one that is fused, okay? And next is, the best is I recommend the use of a long nose plier. So you check which side to go in first, okay? Go in easily and install the spring clip. Okay, as I mentioned earlier in the beginning, so this video is about the change of H3 lamp at first, and then later I'll show you the service and maintenance. Okay, I apply some dielectric grease onto the contact, and then I'll put in the actually install the sleeve back in, and I'll apply some Vaseline over the gasket to prevent any moisture from entering this fog lamp through the gap or the seal. Okay, so I actually apply some Vaseline earlier, place it in and rotate clockwise, but make sure I've also removed this, clean up the surface, okay, remove any sand particle. And then I saw that the wire is actually being exposed, so I apply another layer of protection. I cut through here so that this is actually a drain hole. Don't seal the hole, it's to drain off any water. And I use electrical insulation tape to tape it nicely. Then I also work extra by polishing the glass surface. This is actually not plastic, it's actually glass curved surface. Apply some headlamp polish. Wait for 20 minutes. I have a polishing machine. Wet it the surface and I do the polishing. Okay, left and right, up and down until it's shiny. You see. Once I'm satisfied with it, I proceed with the installation. Make sure I don't lose the 4 screw. I apply some WD-40 to clear off the rust. Okay, I'm not showing the video. Then I perform the check and turn on the light, and therefore the fog lamp. There you go. It works, it works. It doesn't work, it doesn't work. Okay, so that's the beauty of it. I hope this video helps you and inspire you to do it yourself. That's all from me. Thank you, and remember, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.